Here I have Apple iPhone 10 and let me show you how to add the passcode protection to the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's find and select the settings. Let's scroll down and choose Face ID and passcode, and you can of course use the Face ID instead of your passcode, or you can simply just use the passcode protection. So let me do it. Let me set up the passcode. Right here, let's choose Turn Passcode On. Let's add the passcode. So in my case it could be very simple, 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. As you can see, this is information that the passcode can be guessed very easily, but let me choose this passcode anyway. Let's verify my new passcode by using the same combination, 1 2 3 4 5 6. And that's it. Right now we can use our passcode protection. Let's just press the side button, and as you can see right now, if you would like to unlock your device, you need to enter the passcode. So let me enter 1 2 3 4 5 6, and right now you've got access to your device. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.